Ja, is goed. Hello Chips, good day. Well, look what the cat dragged in. Fresh from the States. Oh, oh. Explosions. Nope.
Nee, van een klant.
The neighbors, here you come.
PK?
Dat weet ik echt niet. 454. Ik denk dat
A lot of horsepower. A lot of horse.
je hoort hem een klein beetje
Well,
rommelen.
I don't think Mr. Brian is no longer the owner.
Nee, ja, net even van de trailer af.
Oh, fatties. Oh. Ooh, this is big. Ooh, this is big. Holy mac. Giant lines. Look at those tires. Straight from the US to the drag strip of the Netherlands.
Ja? Hey, maar dit
Check the engine, well, simply stick your camera in, look. You don't have to open the hood. Here it is. See? Rust check? Nope. Well, a bit of tread still on the tires. World Nationals, Norwalk Raceway Park, Norwalk, Ohio, 2006. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah. That's something you need, earplugs. Red line starts at 6,000. Great. Yeah, that's something you need. Big roll bar. You can pull this up, sure. Cummins Racing. What, Chups? Hope you like this short fit of this special car. If you live in a quiet neighborhood, don't start it early in the morning. You wake them all up. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.